What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to install these Powerflex torque arm bushings onto your lower engine mount, your torque arm, on a Mini Cooper S R56. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get started. You're going to want to watch this whole video. Alright, those two bolts are 16 millimeter and you're going to need a breaker bar to break them loose. I've already broke both of mine loose. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take them out with a ratchet. You could use an electric ratchet for this if you wanted to, but I'm just going to use a regular one today. I'm not going to make you watch me take this whole bolt out though. Go ahead and mention I have my motor supported on the jack with this 4x4. My motor mounts are holding the motor, but I just have this here just in case I need to rock the motor up and down or forward and backwards, just so I can move the mount if I need to. Once you get the bolt out far enough, you can go ahead and remove it all the way. Now go ahead and repeat the process on the bolt in the back, same size, 16 millimeter. I'm not going to make you watch me take that one out either. Once you get that one loose, go ahead and pull that one up too. Set it aside, and this should just pop right out. There we go. Right, now I'm going to go ahead and put this grease that came with it. I'm going to put some on these spots right here that are going to fit inside these grooves. Go ahead and tear that open. You should probably wear gloves when you do this, but I don't want to grab any right now. Alright, I'm just going to do that on both of them, and we'll get to the next step. Went ahead and make sure you get it all around everything that's going to come in contact with the aluminum at least. But I'm going to put it, on every part that's going to come in contact. And that's just going to press right inside there like that. I'm going to do that on both sides. Go ahead and do the other side. That's going to make it a solid bushing. Also, they make one for the front. In fact, this is the one that goes in the front, but that needs to be pressed out. So I got to do that at another time, because I don't have a press at my house. Alright, now you're going to take your torque arm and just slide it back into position where you got it. Might take me two hands, but I'll see. Now let me grab my bolts. Alright, I'm gonna get a good grip of this camera here. I'm gonna wiggle this one around and get this bolt started first so that I can go ahead and find the, it's gonna be easier if I get this bolt started. It's gonna be way easier to get this bolt started. So I'm gonna do that right now. Once you get it started like that, you can go ahead and thread it in most of the way. I'm not going to torque it all the way down because I need to get that back bolt started first. All right, now I'm just gonna push this up and down until I can get that bolt right there, or that hole to line up, so I can get the bolt in. It's gonna take 2 hands though. Once you get that bolt in, go ahead and tighten it. I'm using an electric ratchet to get it tight, just for now. I'm not gonna torque it with that, obviously. As tight as that one's gonna go. Now tighten this one up. Oops. All right, now I'm gonna check the Bentley manual for the torque specs, and then I'll get right back to you. So the Bentley manual says 80 foot-pounds for both manual and automatic transmissions. So go ahead and set your torque wrench to 80 foot-pounds. Get those 2 tight and button it up. That's the last step. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any comments. And I'll see you in the next one.